Welcome friends, welcome to step by step tutorials. In this video, we will learn diamond crystal structure, diamond is the allotrope of carbon. The main skeleton for diamond is face-centered cubic lattice. Carbon atoms are present at FCC positions that are at 8 corners and 6 face centers of the cube. Also, carbon atoms are also present at 4 out of 8 tetrahedral positions in FCC unit cell. So this is a cubic unit cell, and this is your x-axis, in this direction is your y-axis, and this is your z-axis. If this blue circle indicates the carbon atoms at FCC positions, lattice positions, so we will have one atom at each corner and one atom at the face centers of all the 6 faces. So we have 6 face center atoms. So if this red circle indicates carbon atom at tetrahedral position, before placing this carbon atom we will name all the corners. So if this is corner A, this is B, this one is your C, this is D, now E, F, G, H. Before placing carbon atoms, we will identify the tetrahedral position sites. So if we join these 3 face atoms to the one corner atom, so we get a tetrahedral void. If you do not know about the tetrahedral or octahedral voids in face center cubic or body center cubic, so we had made separate videos on these topics. I will put link in the description, you can check it. So we will put now this carbon atom in this void or tetrahedral site. We have similar tetrahedral sites near each corner, as we have 8 corners, so we have 8 tetrahedral sites in FCC unit cell. But not all of them are filled with the carbon atoms. Only 4 out of these 8 tetrahedral sites are filled with the carbon atoms. By placing, they are just alternate to each other. If A is filled, so we just leave B and then C will be filled, and just leave D and then E will be filled, and then leave F and then G will be filled, and then leave H empty. So we have only 4 tetrahedral sites filled out of 8. So now projection in 2D along XY plane. So if this is your X direction, this is your Y direction, and if this is your corner A, B, G and H, similar to the previous figure, so these are the corner atoms These 4 are the corner atoms, and these 4 are the face atoms, and this is the bottom face atom. Now we will put the atoms that are at the tetrahedral position. So these red atoms indicate the carbon atoms at tetrahedral position. Since this figure is in the x and y, so we will put the indices of the z-axis. We will write the indices of the z-axis with them. So these 4 are at the 0 z-axis, where they are at the half distance of the z-axis. And now when we come to these z atoms, this is 3 by 4 along z-axis. This is also 3 by 4 along z-axis. This is your 1 over 4 along z-axis, and this is your 1 over 4 along z-axis. So this is bottom face atom, so it is equal to 0. Now to determine the basis for this structure, so all the blue are the lattice points. So this red is suited to this lattice point, and this red is suited to this lattice point. Similarly, this red one is suited to this lattice point, and finally this one is suited to this one. So if you are thinking what about the other atoms, so if we extend this structure to this side, so we will also have carbon atoms at the tetrahedral position here and here. So we can associate this to this one, and similarly this one to this. So we can extend the whole structure in this manner, which indicates that we have bases of 2 carbon atoms. So it shows that it is FCC structure with bases of 2 atoms. In diamond, carbon is sp3 hybridized, each carbon atom has 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals, and it is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms in tetrahedral symmetry. So now we had taken a separate cube to understand the above statement clearly. So we will first put the corner carbon atoms, and then atoms at the faces. Now we will put the atoms at the tetrahedral position. This atom is connected to the further 4 carbon atoms. Now we put atom at the other tetrahedral position. Once again this carbon atom is connected to the further 4 carbon atom in a tetrahedral symmetry. Now we take the atom at the other tetrahedral position. Once again this carbon atom is connected to the further 4 carbon atoms. And now we take atom at the last tetrahedral position. So this is also connected to the further 4 carbon atoms. We had shown that each atom is connected to the further 4 atoms in a tetrahedral symmetry, and this we had shown only for the 4 carbon atoms, but this is true for the all carbon atoms in a diamond structure. Every atom is connected to the further 4 carbon atoms in a tetrahedral symmetry. If you liked this video, so please give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.